My name is Jeff Hendricks. I head up the messaging and collaboration section within the City of Cape Town. It's quite a big portfolio. It involves email for the city, email archive solutions, video conference, SMS technology, as well as the collaborative platform. So we've used Skype for Business as a collaborative platform to bring voice, video, and collaboration together. So yeah, that's the portfolio. With this project, I basically was the lead for various streams. One being unified messaging, other one being email and archiving, other one being SMS. Then others that were brought on board were the MDO project. And then also under email and archiving, we had the mass email solution, okay? Where previously we used to use our Exchange on-premise solution. When we went to the Microsoft Online solution, the on-premise solution was not conducive to transmit our bulk emails. And we implemented the Azure communication services to facilitate the distribution of mass emails.
Great.
So yeah, it's quite a bit of a portfolio. Interesting journey to have walked. And yeah, we pulled it off. We pulled it off, and the organization is using the technologies quite extensively. You know, we started out, Skype for Business was entrenched in the organization. It was widely used. The migration to Teams was interesting. We first deployed the Teams client throughout all the desktops within the City of Cape Town. And then afterwards, we started to switch on the respective modes within Microsoft Teams. And as we start to switch on modes, people start to latch onto the technologies, and people were started to ask, listen, I see in Teams, I can do this. I see in Teams, I can do that. Yet we know that the project was ring-fenced to only deliver certain things. And we basically had to get to a point where we say, listen, organization, we are aware what you're asking, but we have a mandate which is to deliver XYZ. You're asking things over and above it. So thanks for the excitement. We enjoy it. We love the fact that you come to us. But just step back a little bit so that we can finalize this journey that we're on, and then we'll come and talk to you later. So at the moment now, project is completed, it's done, and we now start to latch onto the other technologies that people are asking for. So that aha moments which we had to say no for, now we say, come here. What is it you want? Let us enable you to do what it is you want to do.